work no more. I'm a fool to do your dirty work. Oh yeah.
Okay, so this was in another video of mine a couple years ago. This is a vintage, I think a 1982 Coca-Cola clock. Yeah, August 31st, 1982 is when it was made. The original movement I replaced. I do have the original movement. I just replaced it with the new one. This one's not as brand new movement. The other one does work now. I replaced the gear in it, lubricated it, cleaned it, but it was just gummy looking. So I keep it because it still works, but this one has a new movement. The clock's been cleaned a couple years ago. Yeah, it was in I don't know where it was. It came from Pennsylvania though, so it wasn't too far away, and it only took a day or two to get here because of that. That's all I remember. And this is a lower end version. It has the provisions to put an electric light in it for the sign here, but it doesn't have that. There's a little wood grain panel right there. It's not plugged in, it's not set to the right time. I will plug it in though. I'm not going to set it to the right time. To open it, you're supposed to just like pop that open, but I think it's just easier just to go around from the back. And that hinges up, and you can set the time and so you know where all the numbers are. You can see the little dots all around at each mark, so you know where the time is, and you just go. This is all you do to set the time. Turned around. There's some tape on it. I couldn't get off. I put a new movement in it originally on 7/11/2014. I bought the clock in June of 2013, and I replaced that movement with this one, which is rebuilt completely. New gear in it, and this one, because the other one didn't have a second hand on it. The original one did. The other one I put in didn't. This one does, so that's why I replaced it again. On February 2nd, 2016 is when I replaced it. I just wrote the date down. Made by Right-On Signs, or Right-On Displays. Don't know if they're still around. You can pause that if you want to see it. There's a date, August 31st, 1982. I did put a sticker on it with my name on it, but I just put some electrical tape over it for this video. Here's the movement. It's an older movement from the 60s. So it has a different cord on it. Older style plug, but I'm okay with that. I can plug it in just to show it does run okay. So let me do that. There we go. That was normal. That was just the motor starting. See, it's running good. See, it's pretty quiet. A little bit of gear noise. That's pretty good. The movement just, these movements and these hands are actually standard size even for a modern quartz clock. So I could, if I really wanted to, I could put a quartz movement in this without modifying the hands or anything too much at all, really. Same size shaft. The only one that would be a problem is the second hand, but the hour and minute hand are the same size. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Actually, if you want to hear something cool, before I close the video off, you can hear the motor actually stop when I unplug it. Listen. Starting it. Turning it off. On. You can hear the magnet actually stop and hold the track, and the magnet oscillate a little bit, which I think is pretty cool. Yeah, so anyway, thanks for watching. One more thing, there's also a little hole somebody put in here to hang it from there, instead of hanging it from the actual hook on the movement. Forgot about that.
I'm a fool to do your dirty work. Oh yeah. I don't your dirty work no more. I'm a fool to do your dirty work, oh yeah.